Gnats are annoying pests for plenty of outdoor spaces, including our own yards. Adult gnats will make anyone uncomfortable, while their larvae can actually damage plants and grass. On top of that, these insects can reproduce rapidly, so in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of gnats outside so your home can stay free of these annoying pests. To shop for the products featured in this video and learn even more about outdoor gnat control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Gnats are small flying insects that look similar to mosquitoes, but are actually much smaller and have other differences. Gnats can grow to be about 1/8 of an inch in length, while mosquitoes will be double the size, generally about 1/4 of an inch long. Gnats have black and brown bodies, 6 long legs, and long wings. Plenty of gnat species don't bite people or animals, but some will. Gnat larvae can be more of a concern than their adult counterparts because larvae will actually eat grass and plant roots. With a high enough population, they can actually kill entire plants or create patches of dead turf. A single gnat larvae can grow to be about 1/4 of an inch in length. They have white or clear bodies, no legs, and black heads. You'll sometimes find a swarm of gnat larvae traveling together from one location to another, almost like a school of fish. They might appear to be one giant mass from afar, but look closer and you'll be able to see each individual larva. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. If you're experiencing gnat activity outside your home, you'll need to check your yard for sites conducive for gnats and their larvae. Check outside for mold, fungus, or any decaying plants, and look for adult gnats or their larvae. Adult gnats will lay eggs in moist areas, while their larvae will eat nearby plant material, grass roots, or fungi. Note any sites you find that retain excess moisture or that develop standing water, as you'll use this information to direct your treatment. After identifying your pests and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of gnats outside, you'll need to use insecticides labeled for gnat control like Flex 1010 and Martin's IG Regulator. Flex 1010 is a permethrin insecticide with a quick and powerful knockdown. Flex 1010 is extremely effective against flying insects like gnats, flies, and mosquitoes, and is also labeled to treat many other pests around the home. Martin's IGR is an insect growth regulator that will prevent gnats and many other pests' eggs from hatching and stops larvae from maturing into adults. By using these two products together, you will target both mature and immature gnats and completely break the gnat life cycle for quick and effective control. You'll want to apply Flex 1010 and Martin's IGR to treat ornamentals and shrubbery where larvae can be found. To get rid of gnats with Flex 1010 and Martin's IGR, you'll use these products' labeled rates of 6.4 fluid ounces of Flex 1010 per gallon of water and 1 fluid ounce of Martin's IGR per gallon of water. 1 gallon of solution will typically treat about 1,000 square feet. Since you'll be treating plants and the soil around the plants, we recommend using a 1 to 2 gallon hand pump sprayer to make application quick and simple. To use a hand pump sprayer, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, then add your measured amount of Flex 1010 based on the square footage of your treatment area. Add the remaining water up to the tank's 1 gallon line, close the sprayer, and shake to make an even solution. Once fully mixed, you can add the Martin's IGR. Open the sprayer, add the measured amount of Martin's IGR, close the sprayer again, and shake once more to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Spray ornamental plants and shrubbery to treat areas where gnats and larvae harbor. Use a fine mist to thoroughly coat the plants in your solution, but be careful to avoid runoff. Be sure to treat bushes, trees, and around the sites with excessive moisture. Flex 1010 may also be used in residential misting systems to treat adult gnats in the air. Misting systems are a great option because they automatically treat the area at a timed interval that you set or at the push of a button. The misting system will release pesticide particles into the air, easily treating gnats, mosquitoes, or other flying insects. When using Flex 1010 in a misting system, use a 1 to 100 dilution ratio of product to water. If you're experiencing heavy pest activity, you may use a 1 to 55 dilution ratio. A properly calibrated misting system must not output more than a maximum daily rate of 0.09 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 cubic feet of treatment space per day. When spraying liquid products, be sure to apply on calm days when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Prevention is essential to keeping pests off your lawn. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop gnat activity is to make sure it can't happen. Since gnats are attracted to moist areas, you'll need to take measures to reduce the amount of moisture your property retains and ensure your lawn drains properly. Rake, dethatch, and aerate your lawn to promote air circulation. Trim back tree branches, shrubs, and other ornamental plants to encourage evaporation. These basic steps will help ensure your lawn retains the proper amount of moisture even after rainfall. When you water your lawn, give your grass 1 to 1.5 inches of water once a week. Deep watering once a week in the morning will give your lawn the water it needs. If there's heavy rainfall that meets the required amount, then there's no need to overwater. Make sure to pick up pet food, trash, and debris outside, and make sure your garbage bins close properly. Gnats are attracted to rotting foods, but other pests like flies, rats, and other animals will scavenge for these as well. Finally, be sure to conduct follow-up treatments of Flex 1010 and Martin's IG Regulator every 2 to 4 weeks as necessary until there's no more gnat activity. Gnats outdoors are just as bad as gnats indoors, and their larvae can actually cause lawn damage, but there are ways to manage and control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of gnats throughout your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.